Yeah, my name's Dustin. Wrote some music here. Hope y'all like it. Just help me get a million views. I wish to be famous, but I'm gonna start from the bottom. The music's called Finally Made It. Finally made it to the top. So there it goes. Yeah, I finally made it to the top. Never gonna stop. I'm going to show you how to rock. Yeah, we'll never refuse it. Like Nicki Minaj, rhyming to the music. Nigga, I never had anything before. Sitting here thinking about shit on my mind. Just had two people die last year. Hope they really know I really do love them. Yeah, sit here right about shit. Sitting here clean. I don't do any other shit. Don't do drugs but anything. But I will rap about some things I will do. Yeah, sitting here smoking weed all day long. Yeah, I finally made it to the top. Finally made it to the top where I wanna be. Make $1 million, yeah, that's what I wanna do. Yeah, making millions, making trillions, yeah, making racks on racks on racks. Yeah, like Tiger, Wiz Khalifa, all the other rappers, yeah, I really do listen to them. All the other rappers, yeah, but I wanna do is get on, yeah, make millions, get people on YouTube to do millions. Yeah, I know I fucked up, but I'm getting better. Niggas out there that don't get shit. Nigga, don't feel bad. I really didn't get shit. Sitting here writing on my mind. Rapping on my mind like any other people does. All my friends says I never could do anything. They always make fun of me doing things like rapping. Shit. Like I said, I never done this before. On the shit. Yeah, I'm trying to make millions, make a couple billion, sitting here show my family how to make millions. Nobody's gonna do the same, never go and work out like I do this thing. Yeah, dad works, yeah, I don't do anything. Yeah, he works for all the other shit. I'm gonna sit here rap about shit off my mind. Hope to make millions, never on my mind. Yeah, I just wanna make music. Money isn't a problem, just want to do music. Like I said, wanna be like Wiz Khalifa, all the other people, yeah, I listen to, yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do things, yeah, like I do. Yeah, got an iPhone, ain't really shit. Want an iPhone 4, can't do shit. Don't have no money, I'm broke. Shit, I really don't really give a fuck, I'm always broke. Nigga, if you don't like shit, so fuck you. I'm gonna rap that shit you never had. Never had any shit I really have. Nigga, I don't really give a fuck what you never had. Nigga, I really don't really give a shit that you never had. Never can rap fast and never have anything had. Yeah, like I said, I know I fucked up. Shit, I'm doing this for YouTube. Yeah, never been on YouTube. I hope I get a bunch of fans. Like I said, I want 1 million views. I never had. Yeah, I had a girlfriend. Fuck that bitch. Yeah, she's with a dumbass motherfucker. Yeah, really don't give a fuck. Yeah, she's sitting there have problems. Bitch, get over it. I really don't give a fuck. Stop posting it on Facebook, bitch. I really don't give a fuck. I really hate you. I really don't like you. But only why I'm friends with you because I really with your family. Like your sister. I really like her, but she's like a sister. Yeah, really don't give a fuck. Really don't give a fuck. Savannah, Tennessee, that's really where I'm from. Music went over, so I'll show you how to have fun. Hope y'all really liked it. Name's Dustin. Help me get a million views. I tried my hardest. Like I said, in music, I rap in my mind. It's my first time, so thank y'all. So, million hits, people. Help me out.